Welcome to BuyTheDip.news. Today is June 2nd, 2026. Our AI model found 4 stocks today with both an article rating of buy and a metric score rating of buy, based on our fundamental and technical analysis. In this video we cover 3 of them. Here's the breakdown. The following content is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always conduct your own research before making any investment decisions. LEG and Legend Biotech Corporation, through its subsidiaries. Healthcare sector. Biotechnology. Legend Biotech Corporation, LEGN, announced promising preliminary clinical data for LB2501, its investigational in vivo CD19/CD20 dual-targeting CAR T-cell therapy in relapsed/refractory B-cell non-Hodgkin lymphoma, to be presented during late-breaking session at European Hematology Association 2026 Congress taking place June 11 to 14, 2026, in Stockholm, Sweden. The global leader in cell therapy is building on TAVEC platform, which is proprietary lentiviral vector engineered to enhance T-cell specificity, transduction efficiency, and safety while restricting transduction of non-T cells, designed to generate CAR-Ts directly within the patient following single intravenous infusion, eliminating need for cell manufacturing and lymphodepletion. With 12 patients with or BNHL treated across 2 dose cohorts at DL1 and DL2 as of April 1, with early clinical evidence supporting potential of in vivo CAR-T approach in B-cell malignancies. Here are the key growth metrics for LEG and sales growth trailing 12 months, 56.7%, weighted at 25%. EPS growth next 5 years, 0%, weighted at 25%. Target price upside, 67.4%, weighted at 20%. Gross margin percent, 51.5%, weighted at 15%. Drawdown from 52-week high, minus 27.5%, weighted at 15%. Overall score, 71.50 out of 100. Metric rating, buy. To summarize LEG, an article recommendation is buy, growth stock score is 71.50 out of 100, metric rating, buy. NVIDIA Corporation. Technology sector. Semiconductors. Memory chip maker into the center of the AI boom by aligning itself with NVIDIA's long-term vision for high-bandwidth memory. NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang had long bet that memory, not just processors, would become a critical bottleneck for AI, forcing suppliers like Micron to rethink both technology and spending. The alignment reshaped Micron's trajectory, with NVIDIA aligning NVIDIA with specialized HBM chips tailored to specific processors, and the company signed its first 5-year supply agreement with NVIDIA in March. Micron expects the HBM market it serves to grow to about $100 billion by 2028, posting a $14 billion profit in the latest quarter, a turnaround from a $5.8 billion loss as recently as 2023 when the memory cycle turned and demand collapsed. Here are the key growth metrics for NVIDIA: sales growth trailing 12 months, 70.7%, weighted at 25%. EPS growth next 5 years, 44.1%, weighted at 25%. Target price upside, 34.1%, weighted at 20%. Gross margin percent, 74.2%, weighted at 15%. Drawdown from 52-week high, minus 2.7%, weighted at 15%. Overall score, 85.00 out of 100. Metric rating, buy. To summarize NVIDIA, article recommendation is buy, growth stock score is 85.00 out of 100, metric rating, buy. CRDO Credo Technology Group Holding Limited Technology Sector. Semiconductors. Credo Technology Group, CRDO, fell 4.5% intraday after reporting Q4 fiscal year 2026 revenue of $437 million, up 157% year-over-year and 7.4% sequentially, while non-GAAP EPS came in at $1.16 compared to the $1 to Euro $1.02 Wall Street expected. Credo Technology Group Holding ended the year with $1,335 billion in revenue, up $662 million from fiscal year 2025, and $2.4 billion in cash and short-term investments, while gross margin held at 68.3% and operating margin at 49.6%. The stock had gained 125% over the past 3 months heading into the print, with Q4 revenue matching the entirety of fiscal year 2025 revenue in single quarter, and guidance of $465 to $475 million implying roughly 6.4 to 8.7% sequential growth. Here are the key growth metrics for CRDO: sales growth trailing 12 months, 205.7%, weighted at 25%. EPS growth next 5 years, 40.9%, weighted at 25%. Target price upside, 15.2%, weighted at 20%. Gross margin percent, 69.4%, weighted at 15%. Drawdown from 52-week high, minus 12.4%, weighted at 15%. Overall score, 80.00 out of 100. Metric rating, buy. To summarize CRDO article recommendation is buy, growth stock score is 80.00 out of 100, metric rating, buy. That wraps up today's 3 buy-rated stocks. There are one more buy-rated stock today that you can view at BuyTheDips.news, along with full analysis for every stock. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe for daily signals. Visit BuyTheDip.news to access buy-rated stocks and full growth metrics in real time, the moment they are available rather than after market hours, along with hundreds of additional stocks that weren't rated a buy each trading day. See you next time.